Hey guys, quick sale here. One question I get asked all the time by people that are calling me to probably sell their house is, are you just gonna lowball me? Do investors just lowball? I get that asked from realtors, from other new investors, and mostly sellers. And it's a good question. Do you get lowballed? Yes and no. And let me explain to you why. An investor has to buy on a margin. Okay, I went to an appointment today and I went to the house and I walked through the house. The house needed approximately 20 to 25,000 in repairs to bring it to full standard, and the Zillow was 173,000. And the seller at the end of the walkthrough told me, "Hey, so just so you know, we're only gonna take 180,000, no less than that." And I'm like, that's over retail, and your property needs a bunch of repairs. So, obviously I can't do that. There's no way I can make any money by buying this house, fixing it, holding costs, and sell it and make a profit. But there are other investors in town, not like Quick Sale, that are not transparent about the purchase price and what we're going to sell it for and what the value is and what we can do with it. But they're also just trying to get the best deal they can. The way that we buy is we buy based on percentages. We have a simple formula that we have to follow that can give you an estimated amount of how much we can buy the property for. And what's the two variables? A, price, and B is repairs. That's why we have to see the house first, and then we can make you a cash offer on the spot. The other guys, they don't show a formula. They don't tell you how much the property is worth. They don't tell you how much the repairs actually are, or they inflate these numbers or deflate these numbers to make the numbers sound better. We like to do a more of a transparent offer process. So that's kind of what separates us from the rest. Yes, we can't pay retail for properties. Sorry. If we would, we'd just be buying off the MLS and not spending a bunch of money on advertising or shooting cool videos on YouTube. So why do people sell to us? A, time. B, convenience. Because they really need to sell the house fast and they can't put the money into it to repair it. That's really the only reason people sell to us. And if you are one of those persons that need to sell your house fast, feel free to call that number below or click the link to our website to find a little more information about us. And I'll go to your house personally, make you a cash offer, tell you how much it is. And if you don't like it, it's fine. It doesn't hurt my feelings at all. And you've got more information to make a better decision for you and your family. So thank you guys so much, and we'll see you on the next one.